Hey everybody, Isaac here with Destination Outdoor and the Click Outdoor team. It is the 6th annual Destination Outdoor in association with Toyota. Stoked for another great day.
Ready to roll.